Salamat pagi, berita bagus, JuaraGCP sudah kembali, ayo kita belajar dan menang bersama. So you might be shocked what kind of language you are speaking and what is this new challenge which you are talking about. So here in this video, if you are from Indonesia, this is your perfect opportunity to participate, learn, excel and get some cool goodies like Samsung smartwatch and multiple things, hoodie, t-shirts and more. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and do like the video. So here a new season of JuaraGCP is live. How to participate, how to do all the things. Here in this video, we'll talk about it. So let's get started. So here is a good news that the JuaraGCP that is starting very soon. And here you can see this is our homepage. Don't worry, I'll share the link in the description. So you can see we are getting cool birds, stickers, hoodies and more things. Now here some important thing you need to understand that the registration process will be live on 15th of January, means the event will be live on 15th of January till 15th of February. That is, you are having 1 month entire time. Okay. Now, why should you participate in this program? You'll be getting free credits for completing skill badges and the completion badges. Apart from this, you'll be getting a chance to network with thousands of other developers who are working on Google. Entire globe they are available. Okay. You'll be getting exclusive merchandise, means swags, and here are your tires and rewards. Okay, first of all, you'll understand the tire. Here we have three tires. Okay, basic, advanced and expert. In basic tire, we have to complete minimum 10 badges, including skill badges that are 6 in number. You'll be getting t-shirt, sticker and keychain. Tire 2 is 18 skill badges, 18 badges including the 9 minimum skill badges. So there are completion badges and skill badges. Do not only, I'll show you. Here you'll be getting all the swags which are mentioned in Tier 1, including t-shirt, sticker and chain and one zipper hoodie. Tier 3 will be getting some premium TWS earbuds. And if you are in top 10 leaderboard, you'll be getting all these prizes and Samsung Galaxy Fit, smartwatch or smartband. So here you can see these are the point system. Okay, you can see all these skill badges are mentioned over here. Do not worry, I'll create a master sheet and I'll attach it in the description box too. Okay, because most of the labs I have completed, do not worry. And for the completion batch, it's very easy. You have to complete the quizzes only. Okay, do not worry or just read all the things. Now here deadline is 15th February 2026. Okay, how to register? You have to come to this website. Okay, I'll show you how you can just register. Now here some important things. Okay, whenever you win anything, like for the prize email, just like we have arcade prize counter, you'll be notified via email. Okay, you can see all these structures are here. You can see these are the swags. So participate now. It's starting very soon and the onboarding session will be mailed to you. So stay tuned for all the things. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Here are some common FAQs which we'll be covering in next video. So just stay tuned. Till then, have a great day ahead. Let me just show you how to register. So here you have to click on register over here, right? Now here you have to select sign in with Google. So just select your Google account. Okay, just select the Google account. Just select your Gmail. And if you are using any other email, you can just do it that also. Now here just next. And here you have to enter your name, mail, gender, company name. You can make your college's full name also. Okay. Now you have to enter the email. So let me enter my email over here. Now you have to fill your email. You can add your personal email also, institution details and your contact number. Now you here, one more important thing, this is a temporary number. Do not try to call it because this is not my personal number. Now coming over here, you have to select. So just select anything. It's not issue. Okay. Now the job title, you can mention your own job title. Okay, now country Indonesia, as the event is only for the Indonesian people. So if you are from Indonesia, then only you'll be getting the swags. If you are from India or any other country, then you won't be eligible for the swags. I have clearly mentioned in this video. Many people will make this video after my video, but they will just make clickbait a clickbait video. Okay, so this is the important thing I wanted to share. So make sure to just know that the swags are only for the participants who are residing in Indonesia. If you're from India, you can learn free of cost, but no swags will be given to you. Now all the things you have to mention. Okay, now here they are asking for your Google skills profile. So how you can create, I hope you know already. New tab and just paste the skills.google.com. Now here you can see the option is there. Just click on use email or password, or just you can directly sign in with Google and create a new account. Okay. For here, if you have already completed skill badges, you require a new account. I repeat, if you are from India, you can participate for learning purpose, but there is no benefit if you are targeting swags. Now just come to the settings option and let me show you from here. Just copy this, copy, right click, and just copy the address, paste it over here. Okay, just paste it. And for developer profile, if you don't have, just type NA. Let me just type NA. Now here, no. Okay, it's asking for a valid profile. So as of now, I don't have a developer profile. So I'm just adding my channel over here. You can just make your developer profile. It's very easy. How you can make, you have to just click on your profile icon. And from here, it's asking to sign in with developer. So you have to just click on sign in and just authenticate with your Google account. All your details will be fetched over here. Okay. So once you sign in, it will just look like this. So wait a second. Okay. So like this, you have to update and just, yes, just click on this. Yes, yes, and yes. So just click on register. And finally, you are registered in the JuaraGCP. So this is the way how to register and participate. Rest details will be mailed to you. Do not worry about it. Now you can verify the confirmation. So you can see I got the confirmation email. You can just check your spam section that all the details are mentioned over here. You'll be getting free credits, engaging workshop, onboarding sessions, and multiple things. If you face any issue, you can just reach out to them. So that's all about this video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Goodbye.